Dogman! Mothering Heights by Dav Pilkey. Dogman is copyright by Dav Pilkey, and it's published by Graphix, an imprint of Scholastic Inc. Last time on Dogman.
Oh gosh, I can see up, Cup. We're gonna die here, 'cause who the heck would want to save me? Oh great, the Pokeball failed.
Who's gonna save us now, Grandpa?
Big Jim, I go, you stay. No following. Help me!
Are you guys done?
Never! Well, this is where it all began. Me and my mom had to live here after my dad left. She liked playing the violin, but she played it like a guitar. What the heck happened to your tail? Well, if you shut up, maybe I'll get to it. My mom raised me good, and she made sure I didn't do bad things. But then after she passed away, I started doing bad things. But then you came along, and you reminded me of my mom, which is kind of weird. But you know what? You love me like my mother loved me. So maybe love lasts forever and ever.
Are you saying that love is eternal?
And even though its metaphysical characteristics may change, its invariable nature will remain pure, inspiring even the most hardened soul to transform into a benevolent altruist?
What?
I knew it. Well, that's the end of this Dogman book. With the sunset and all 3 moons rising, we can call this a wonderful ending. Or not. Chapter 12. Big Fight. Oh no. Are you guys okay?
Yeah, I think so.
Don't worry, gang. I'll save the day. Hey, you big logs. Let go of my friends. All right. You asked for it. Molly used her psychokinetic mind powers on the first sippy cup, and it was working. But the second sippy cup got an idea. Carefully, it aimed its nose. Ow. Oh no. Wally's lab got destroyed. Wally's gonna be mad. Meanwhile...
Hey! I'll never get it right.
But then... Hey, Chief! Nurse lady's on the phone.
Oh?
She says she needs you to...
Come on, Dogman! Now's our chance! Oh boy, this is gonna be great! Oh no! I'll help evacuate the hospital. You fight those sippy cups. Good luck, Dogman!
So, anyway... While Dogman duked it out with one sippy cup, the other sippy cup was bent on destruction.
It's gonna destroy the hospital!
And there's no time to evacuate. You know what we must do.
Yes!
Yeehaw!
Ow! Hey!
But wait!
Oh dear. Oh no. Well, I guess we're doomed.
Yeah, but it wasn't all bad. At least I got to hold your hand.
What's Dogman barking about?
What do you want, Dogman? Hey!
Well. You just never know when an umbrella might come in handy.
Chapter 13. the most romantic chapter ever written. Romantic advisory, mushy content.
Gee whiz, it sure is nice up here.
I'll say.
So, do you want to hold hands again?
Nah,
Oh.
let's smooch it out, baby.
Chapter 14. Meanwhile, back at the terrifying battle, the struggle raged on. Until things got really whack. And Dogman took the plunge. Then,
Hey, what happened to Dogman's robo-suit? It's the malic acid in this apple juice. It must have corroded his electro-gizzards.
darn you, apple juice! Who's gonna save us now? Meanwhile, I've gotta find a weapon or something. But everything here is broken. Even this meerkat robot has lost her head. But wait, I can move her body with my mind. Maybe all she needs is a new brain. Mecha Molly is go! Go, go, go! Mecha Molly! Transforming! Shing! Mecha Molly! Mecha Molly, go! Fight, fight, fight! Mecha Molly! Melt our hearts! Mecha Molly! Save the world! Mecha Molly, go! So, anyway... well, that was... violent. Thanks! Welp, good night, everybody.
Let's all play again tomorrow. Dogman, I have an important job for you. Roll ADHD home, okay? And tomorrow we'll fix him up as good as new.
And so...
Hey, look, there's Dogman. Would it be okay if he came with us on our date tomorrow?
Of course.
Oh boy, this is gonna be great.
You did too.
I did not! Chapter 15. The Memory of Love's Refrain. And so... I know, but Rudolph can fly and Batman can't.
That's not the point. Santa could beat up
Would you kids please be quiet? Just 5 minutes of peace. That's all I ask. Just 5. Hey!
What happened?
Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. Your lab broke. Hey, Wally. This might not be the best time to ask, but can I keep this robo-suit?
Well, sure, Molly. Why not? As you can see, I've just lost everything. So please, help yourself. Take my last remaining material possession.
Really? Awesome! Thanks, Wally. See ya! Don't forget the chip dip.
Hey, Papa, look what I found. It's a guitar. Ding! Oh, boom, boom. Where did you find this? Over there, by those bricks. Huh? It's not a guitar. It's a ukulele. Oh, this was my mother's. I've been looking everywhere for this. I thought I had lost it. But it's been with me all along. Come on, Papa. Let's go. We can stay at Dogman's house. At least until we rebuild the lab. Okay. I guess we don't have a choice. We just lost everything. Well, not everything. We still have love. And love lasts forever. Right, Papa? Forever and ever.
The end. And that will do it for this Dogman adventure. Another satisfying ending for Dogman and his friends. We hope you enjoyed. So goodbye for now. And we'll see you in the next adventure of Dogman!
Buddy, you're a strong man, hard man, working out a way to get you some sleep all day. Got chief in your face, big disgrace. Petey set a bomb off into your face. We love Dog Man. We love Dog Man. Petey was a bad man, teaming with a bad plan. Then a clone turned his whole world one day. Dog Man's in your face, big disgrace. Little Petey's gonna put you back into your place. We love Dog Man. We love Dog Man. Now that he's a good guy, Dogman doesn't know why. We're all gonna have to do good someday. Now read all the text, pay respects. Here's a bunch of stuff that's happening next. We love Dog Man.
Oh yeah.
We love Dog Man.
Everybody.
We